Now I'm making this video exclusively for YouTube. Then after years I will take that video from YouTube and post it again on social media. But Kamalamdu usiphile urifile shy. But ke akhuleni kwami ndazi nickname Prince Nkosana Shy. So Nkosana Prince ngutop G because mina ngithanda u-entertain. But ke currently ndihlala but nathina ihlala ecala Eastern Cape yabo. Isecala Eastern Cape, one of the smallest yabo sizilalini, but sikhona lapha edolobheni eMakasi. KwaMakasi kudolophu ke yabo ilali. So lapha ke ngoku eKasi yabo. Gqibe grade 12 2024, then computer course 2025, now it's 2026. I'm starting my content creation career, but actually what I want to be is a actor. I'm also interested in music. I also start exploring that. Not sure yet. I want to be an actor. I want to be a businessman. I want to be successful and to make it in this life. So this video is in shorty. Now it's 2026. I was English. Danten le nto ndizayiqala ngo-2025 le nto ye-content creation. Phaa bangaxolela xa 2020 kwaqala i-COVID, but I procrastinator for 6 years. 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6 years. Now 2026 I'm going all in. I'm going all in on my dreams. 2026 is the year of grinding. 2026 is the year I try to make the best of myself. Then 2027, hopefully ndizabe sendi-rich, not that much rich, but ndizabe sendinayo mali noko yabo to maintain. Kaya 50k ngenyanga yabo, 50k ngenyanga, 100k ngenyanga. Sawufumaneka indlela, but le video ndizayiposta ku-YouTube, ndigcine phaa ndithi this ndizayithagela ntona, this is beginning of the journey. Then surely next year okanye next year, but akazuba 2030, akazuba 2030 yabo, phinde ndiyithathe le video, phinde ndiyipost ndithi look at me now. So I'm starting this journey. There were ups and downs, but ke masingene man, ayikho enye indlela ngoku. It's time to take over the world. Bear with me with this journey. Asambeni. God is with me, I know. Don't forget to pray. Jesus is King. Danko, masiqaleni. Nakanjani?